depending on how you define open data, it's either been around for a very long time or a very short time. So if you think of open data as anything that's out there for the public to read and use, you can go back to Gutenberg. If you think of it though as this new kind of data that's available digitally and that really people can use for different kinds of computations and different kinds of information gathering, which is how we think of it today, then I say that that movement as a movement goes back about 5 or 10 years. I think a lot of it initially came out of a push for government data for government accountability, but more and more it's become about sharing data of all kinds. I mean, one really important example is scientific innovation. The Human Genome Project, which goes back more than 10 years, was actually a great example of scientists getting together and saying, you know what, as we do this research, we're going to share it all openly. That was really revolutionary. That really accelerated progress in genetic research, and that's now a model that a lot of people are looking to as a way that we ought to do science on a regular basis. But I have to tell you, for me personally, the real aha moment came in November of 2012 when I was at a meeting of at the Open Data Institute that was put on by the GovLab and Beth Novak with funding from the MacArthur Foundation. And I was listening to the CEO of the Open Data Institute, Gavin Starks, talk about open data, and he was just giving an informal talk, and he said, I've been around for a long time. I was around when the web was developing. I saw all those startups, I saw all of that progress, and I think where we are with open data right now is where people were with the web in the late 90s. Just about to happen, just about to have a really disruptive effect. That got me very interested, and what I've seen over the last year is that just in the space of about 12 months, the excitement about open data, the interest in open data coming from all sides, from government, from business, from nonprofits, is really accelerating in a way that I think what Gavin said may turn out to be true.